afternoon, students. Today we will talk about another topic, that is total quality management. In order to understand total quality management, first we have to understand what does quality actually mean. Quality is generally referred to a parameter which decides the inferiority or superiority of a product or service. It is a measure of goodness to understand how a product meets its specifications. Usually, when the expression quality is used, we think in the terms of an excellence product or service that meets or even exceeds our expectation. These expectations are based on the price and the intended use of the goods or service. In simple words, when a product or service exceeds our expectations, we consider it to be of a good quality. Therefore, it is somewhat of an intangible expression based upon perceptions. Total quality management is the continual process of detecting and reducing or eliminating error in manufacturing, streamlining supply chain management, improving the customer experience, and ensuring that employees are up to speed with training. It aims to hold all parties involved in the production process accountable for the overall quality of the final product or service. TQM was developed by William Deming. It is an extensive and structured operation management approach that focuses on continuous quality improvement of product and services by using continuous feedback. Total quality management originated in the industrial sector of Japan in 1954. Since that time, the concept has been developed and can be used for almost all types of organizations such as school, motorway maintenance, hotel management, and churches. Nowadays, total quality management is also used within the e-business sector, and it perceives quality management entirely from the point of view of the customer. The objective of TQM is doing things right the first time over and over again. This saves the organization the time that is needed to correct poor work and failed product and service implementation, such as warranty repairs. Total quality management can be set up separately for an organization as well as for a set of standards that must be followed. For instance, the International Organization for Standardization (ISO). In the ISO 900 series, total quality management uses strategy, data, and communication channel to integrate the required quality principle into the organization's activities and culture. These are some key principles of total quality management. The first principle will be the customer focused. The customer ultimately determines the level of quality. When using TQM, it is of crucial importance to remember that only customers determine the level of quality. Whatever efforts are made with respect to training employees or improving process, only customer determine, for example, through evaluation or satisfaction measurement, whether your effort have contributed to the continuous improvement of product quality and service. The next principle will be that total employees involvement. All employees participate in working towards common goal. Total employee commitment can only be obtained after fear has been driven from the workplace, when impairment has occurred, and when management has provided the proper environment. High performance work system integrate continuous improvement efforts with normal business operation. Self-managed work team are one from the empowerment. The third principle will be the process centered. Process thinking and process handling are a fundamental part of total quality management. A fundamental part of TQM is a focus on process thinking. A process is a series of steps that take input from suppliers, which may be the internal or external, and transform them into output that are delivered to customer, internal or external. The tasks required to carry out the process are defined and performance measures are continuously monitored in order to detect unexpected variation. The next principle will be the integrated system. Although an organization may consist of many different functional specialties, often organized into vertically structured departments, it is the horizontal process interconnecting these functions that are the focus of TQM. Microprocess up to the larger process, and all process aggregate into the business process required for declining and implementing strategy. Everyone must understand the vision, mission, and guiding principles, as well as the quality policies, objective and critical process of the organization. Business performance must be monitored and communicated continuously. An integrated business system may be modeled after the Belbridge Award criteria and or incorporate the ISO 900 standard. Every organization has a unique work culture, and it is virtually impossible to achieve excellence in its product and services unless a good quality culture has been foresight. Thus, an integrated system connects business improvement element in an attempt to continually improve and exceed the expectation of customer, employees, and other stakeholders. The next principle will be the strategic and systematic approach. A critical part of the management of quality is the strategic and systematic approach to achieving an organization's vision, mission, and goals. This process, called strategic planning or strategic management, includes the formulation of a strategic plan that integrates quality as a core component. The next will be the continual improvement. A large aspect of TQM is continual process improvement. Continual improvement drives an organization to be both analytical and creative in finding way to become more competitive and more effective at meeting stakeholders' expectation. Next, fact-based decision making. In order to know how well an organization is performed, data on performance measures are necessary. TQM requires that an organization continually collect and analyze data in order to improve decision making accuracy, achieve consensus, and allow prediction based on past history. The last principle will be the communication. During time of organizational change as well as part of day-to-day operation, effective communication plays a larger part in maintaining morale and in motivating employees at all levels. Communications involve strategies, method, and timelines. The next part will be the benefit of total quality management. The benefit arising from implementation of a total quality management in an organization are given here. These are some important segments on which TQM work. In short, we can say these will increase the awareness of quality culture within the organization. A special emphasis on teamwork will be achieved, and TQM will lead to a commitment towards continuous improvement. The benefits are strengthen competitive position among the employee, adaptability to changing or emerging market condition and to environmental and other government regulation, higher productivity, enhance market image, eliminating or defect and waste, reduced cost and better cost management, higher profitability, improve customer focus and satisfaction, increase customer loyalty and retention, increase job security, improve employees' morale, enhance shareholder and stakeholders' value, improve an innovative process. Some essential requirements for successful implementation of TQMs are commitment. Quality improvement in all aspects must be everyone's job in the organization. An apparent commitment from the top management, breaking down the barrier for continuous quality improvement and steps required to provide an environment for changing attitudes must be provided. Training and support for these should be extended. Next, culture. There should be proper training to affect the changes in attitude and culture. Third one will be the continuous improvement. Recognize improvement in a continuous process and not merely a one-off program. Customer focus is another requirement for successful implementation of TQM. Perfection in service with zero defects and full satisfaction to end user, whether it's internal or external, is achieved should be achieved by TQM. The last element will be the control. Ensure monitoring and control checks for any deviation from the intended course of implementation. This also referred to as PDCA cycle. The PDCA cycle consists of plan, do, act, and check. The first phase is the planning phase. It is the most crucial phase of total quality management. Under this phase, employees have to come up with their respective queries and problems which need to be addressed. The employees apprise the management of different challenges which they are facing in their day-to-day operation and also analyze the root cause of the problem. They need to do the required session and collect significance data which would help them find solution to all the problem. The next phase is the doing phase. In this phase, a solution for the identified problem in the planning phase is developed by the employees. Strategies are devised and implemented to crack down the challenges faced by employees. The efficiency and effectiveness of solutions and strategies are also evaluated in these phases. The next phase will be the checking phase. Under this phase, a compromise analysis of before and after is done in order to assess the effectiveness of the process and measure the result. And final is the acting phase. It is the last phase of the cycle. In this phase, employees document their result and prepare themselves to address another problem. Next will be the general strategy model for implementing TQM system. The first strategy will be the top management learn about and decide to commit of TQM. TQM is identified as one of the organizational strategies. The organizational assess culture, customer satisfaction, and quality management system. Top management identifies core value and principle to be used and communicate them. A TQM master plan is developed on the basis of step 1, 2, and 3. The organization identifies and prioritizes customer demand and align products and service to meet those demands. Management maps the critical process through which the organization meets its customer needs.